Mangalore Prawns Ghee Roast is a culinary masterpiece, but it is a bit tricky to achieve perfection. I have divided the recipe into 4 steps for ease of understanding. Step 1 is marinating the prawns. I've taken around 1 kg of prawns and I'm marinating it with some salt, turmeric and the juice of 1 whole lime and leave it aside for a minimum of 20 minutes. Step 2 is preparing the masala paste. Dry roast some Byadgi Red Chillis, Coriander Seeds, Cumin Seeds, Fenugreek Seeds, black peppercorns, poppy seeds, Fennel Seeds and curry leaves. The key here is to use the Byadgi variety of red chilies, as this is what gives the unique flavor and the rich color to the dish. If you don't have access to the Byadgi chilies, the closest match would be the Kashmiri red chilies. After roasting these ingredients, grind them to a fine paste by adding a small piece of tamarind and some 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and as little water as possible. Step 3 is frying the prawns. Use generous amounts of ghee to fry the prawns. I've used around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee here, and I will fry the prawns for 7 to 10 minutes till they are about 80% done. The prawns will ooze out its juices while frying it, which is perfectly fine. Store this juice aside to be used later. Step 4 is preparing the prawns ghee roast. In the same pan, take generous amounts of ghee. Don't shy away from adding ghee because this is a big contributor to the taste. Add 1 onion or a few shallots, fry it till it turns translucent. Add some curry leaves. Now add the masala paste that we prepared. Here comes the most crucial step, that is frying or roasting this masala in the ghee for a minimum of 10 to 12 minutes or till the masala turns deeper in color and the ghee starts separating. This is the most important step, otherwise you won't get the taste. You could add a little more ghee in the middle if you feel the need and keep stirring it constantly. You have to keep stirring it constantly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now I am adding the water released while frying the prawns gradually and mix it well. Add a little more curry leaves again if you feel the need. Keep stirring it constantly. Add some salt as per taste. I'm covering it for faster cooking for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now add a small piece of jaggery to balance the tartness from the lemon juice and the tamarind. Now at this time you can see that the masala has turned deeper in color and the ghee has separated from the masala and the masala has left the pan and is slipping and sliding across the pan. This means that the masala is almost 80 to 90% done. Keep stirring it constantly. Now add the fried prawns and mix it well and keep sauteing it for another 4 to 5 minutes. The cooking time of the prawns will depend on the size of the prawns that you have taken. Garnish it with some curry leaves and coriander leaves and you are done. Try out this recipe, and I have many people who have vouched for the fact that it tastes exactly like the ones served at the restaurants. Neer dosa and prawns ghee roast is a match made in heaven. However, you could try it with anything and everything and it won't let you down. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.